Bought this from Amazon for $39. Everything Maker. I mean, Chefman Everything Maker. $39. Here are several types of pancakes, Asian pancakes, Korean and Chinese. Here's Chinese scallion pancakes. Delicious. This one has this one has 4 in each. This one, the Korean scallion pancake. I already cooked 2 today, so I bought this about two years ago because you have to cook it. I left it in the freezer for about 2 years, but today I opened it up and used it, tried it out. And then this is black pepper pancake or scone. Yeah, you can use these for snacks. I'm gonna cook 2 of these today. Here's Chefman Everything cooker. So there's no temperature control and no on-off switch, which is an advantage, I think. And you just plug in. And it will get to a 425 degrees. In about 3 minutes, this will light up when the temperature is reached. But you don't have to wait for the temperature. You can just put the pancake right on. This kind, right here. So, very easy. Just put them on. You can cook 2 at a time. Those will get hot. So both sides will get hot. So and wait. You don't have to put these pancakes on when they're defrosted. You can just put them on frozen. Okay. So they're cooking now. Until golden brown. Okay, it is done. To turn it off, we just unplug them. That's it. Turn it off. And you can serve them as soon as they get a little bit cooler. To clean up, just wipe with the wet towel. Like that, on both sides. That's it. It's clean. It can be stored upside down like this in your pantry, so save space. This will be great for a student in the dorm or something like that. Now let's have a taste. Oh, break it open. It's many layered, crispy in the outside. Oh, delicious. Delicious. Thank you for watching.